Howdy y'all, this is K1 Lock coming to you with an Eagle padlock. On the back it says, "The Eagle Lock Company, Terryville, Connecticut, made in USA." I just popped this bad boy open. Now we're going to do it on camera. So, let's see what we can do here. This was an interesting lock to get into. I'll say that much. It's it's kind of a bugger, really. So there we go. Get a little light on the subject there. Let's try to start from the back, I suppose. Oh, no. Start from the front initially. There we go. There we go. And now we got her. Sweet. That's 2 times with the Eagle. Sweet. Anyway, this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the Eagle.